Ever found yourself staring at that perfect item online or in a store, your fingers itching to click buy or hand over the cash, only to realize you've left your wallet at home or are fumbling for the right card? We've all been there, right? That little moment of frustration when the desire to purchase meets the inconvenient reality of payment methods. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and the way we pay for things is constantly evolving. We've moved from physical cash to cards, and now digital wallets are becoming increasingly popular, promising a seamless and secure way to handle our transactions. Among these digital players is Beam Wallet, a platform that's been generating quite a buzz. So, the burning question on your mind, and probably the reason you clicked on this video, is, can you actually buy things with Beam Wallet? Well, let's dive into that and explore the possibilities. Beam Wallet, at its core, is designed to simplify your payment experience. It's a digital wallet that aims to streamline transactions, often leveraging QR code technology for quick and easy payments. Think of it as having your payment information securely stored on your phone, ready to be accessed with a simple scan. Now, the crucial part, where can you actually use it? The ability to buy with Beam Wallet hinges on merchant adoption. For Beam Wallet to be a viable payment option, businesses need to integrate it into their point-of-sale systems, whether online or in physical stores. Historically, Beam Wallet has focused on specific regions and partnerships. Its presence and acceptance have varied depending on the country and the agreements they've established with retailers. This means that while you might find numerous merchants accepting Beam Wallet in one area, its usage might be limited in another. To know for sure if you can use Beam Wallet at a particular store or online platform, the best approach is to look for the Beam Wallet logo at the checkout. In physical stores, this would typically be displayed alongside other accepted payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, or other digital wallets. Online, you'd usually see it as an option during the payment stage of your purchase. Furthermore, Beam Wallet often partners with specific retailers to offer exclusive deals and promotions to its users. This can be a fantastic incentive to use the platform at participating locations. Keep an eye out for these partnerships, as they can not only tell you where you can buy with Beam Wallet but also offer you some extra value. It's also worth noting that the landscape of digital payments is constantly changing. New partnerships are formed, and existing ones evolve. Therefore, staying updated on the latest news and announcements from Beam Wallet is crucial to understanding its current usability. Their official website and social media channels are excellent resources for the most up-to-date information on where you can make purchases. In conclusion, while the concept of Beam Wallet is to facilitate easy and digital payments, its real-world usability depends heavily on merchant integration. So, while the answer isn't a simple yes or no across the board, checking for the Beam Wallet logo at your point of purchase and staying informed about their partnerships will give you the clearest picture of where you can indeed buy with Beam Wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.